Thank you very much. When you start a company, those of you who are business owners, you generally start small. And that's how we started. It was a very small company, and I was the entire technical staff. And then our company began to grow, and we jumped out of the job shop world into making our own products. And that required tremendous amount of growth and changing people, and you know what? I just couldn't do it all anymore. And now, with the success that our company has achieved has been because of our employees. And I would like to introduce some of them to you. First of all, Jacob and Jim, our engineers. Stand up. Like Matthew and Billy and Andrew, who here's filming out in the middle. Stand up. They handle marketing, IT, and sales coordination. And then Steve and Kevin there. Steve handles our production management, and Kevin is our quality overlord. He does not inspect. He assures that the other employees who are making our products do their own inspection. Last but not least, the two wonderful women in our organization, Tracy Gale and my wife, Liz Gardner. And I just want to reiterate, technology is great, but you got to have people that are running it that are great people. Thank you very much.